We found an unusual trade on C3.ai stock, ticker symbol AI, on the last trading day. And what's unusual about this trade is that C3.ai reports earnings next week, September 4th. And so in this video, we will analyze this unusual option activity to find out how wealthy investors who could be potential insiders are trading this AI stock on earnings. Are they bullish and buying or bearish and selling, so that we can also trade in the same direction to make money while the rich are getting richer on Wall Street? Because as we all know, the rich have more access to information, sometimes leaked insider information such as earnings reports, to make better financial decisions. No wonder the rich get richer. So without further ado, let's dive into the data as usual. As we can see here on the options time and sales tape, 14,205 contracts were being traded at the same time on August 28th for these August 30th options at the 25 strike calls and the September 6 options at the 26 strike calls. So let's take a deeper look at the option chain to find out more about these trades. So when we take a look at August 30th, we can see here that at the 25 strike calls, we have an open interest of 16,892. And so based on our analysis, there is a good chance that these are closing trades. Okay, so they are closing out of these trades and rolling to the September 6 options at the 26 strike calls. And how do we know these are opening trades? Well, because you can see here that the open interest was only 912 contracts. And so it would not be possible to close out of these trades with 14,000 contracts if there was only 912. And so that is part of our initial analysis of this type of data. And you can see we are also in the same position. POS stands for position and green means buy, because that is what they did. And so we can calculate the total trade costs now that we know that these are the closing trades and these are the opening trades, where they were buying these for 57 cents each. And since this is option pricing, we multiply by 100, since each option represents 100 shares of stock, to get $57 per call option. And since there was 14,205 contracts, we multiply that out and we get a total trade cost of $809,000. And so we simply followed this trade, but we use position sizing to manage our risk, because this is still a high risk trade. Even though it is $809,000, we typically analyze trades that exceed into the millions, which increases our probability of profit, lowering our risk. And so if you want access to those trades that have a higher chance of profit, then make sure to go to our website. We'll put a link at the top here where you can gain access to better trade ideas based on stronger data. Because not all of these unusual trades will be profitable. Even this one might be a loss. But as long as we diversify with higher quality stock picks based on this type of data analysis, then we can become more profitable in the long term. And so we bought these call options at this $57 price. And so when we analyze this trade, you can see here that at the 26 strike, they were going for $57 each. And when we analyze this trade on the risk profile, you can see that on this graph here, on the x-axis is the share price of this AI stock, currently trading right here at about $23. As the share price goes up, these call options become more profitable. If it goes down, it becomes more negative loss, because this is a bullish long trade. And we can confirm this with the Greeks, a positive delta. If it was a bearish short position, it would be a negative delta. But keep in mind the risk on this trade, a very negative theta decay. And that is why we use position sizing to manage our risk and put most of our capital in the trades with higher probability of profit and lower risk. So if you want access to those, make sure to go to our website. We'll put a link at the top here. Let us know what you think will happen to C3.ai stock after earnings. Will it go up or will it go down? As usual, please smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't. Take care and have a wonderful day.